here is what they refer to as the Ojibwe traveling song. I had the privilege and honor to meet the gentleman that composed this song. I'm talking about the late Alex Skeed from Gaawaabaabiganikaag up in Kenora. He composed this song when he was in a hospital, and they gave him 4 days. And his brother come to him, who had passed about 10 years earlier, by the name of Doug Skeed. These guys were both original members of the famous Lake of the Woods drum. And he come in that dream, and he told him what to do with the feast, the family, the ceremony, and he sang this song to give to him. So it's actually a doctor healing song. He walked out of the hospital in 4 days. He took me aside a long time ago when I was announcing up there. You know, the old guys, they go like this, they call you down and you think you're in trouble. And I went and sat to him and he said, Vince, I'm telling you, because these people love you, what you do, and we want you to share it a good way, the appropriateness of the song, how it actually came to him directly. And I take that in a very high honor. So when this song is sung and we exit with these staff and colors, the song also, like the prayer Rob talked about, is making sure all of us return to our homes safely, in a good way. We leave in a good mind, a good spirit, and a good heart. How appropriately, the traveling song. All right, brothers, you know what to do. We'll go one on a flag to honor the staff and colors, and then right into the traveling song. So whenever you're ready, ladies and gentlemen, if you rise one more time, Manoman singers, whenever you're ready. Amen.